Tech and consumer seem to have stood out here in this particular round of earnings. Give us a sense of what happened, Lianting.
Yeah, it's really basically the e-commerce firms such as Alibaba and PDD are the best performers. They've delivered better than expected results because they were able to cater to the pent-up demand from consumers after COVID relaxation, and also they implemented a lot of cost cuts over the last few quarters, and also especially those cater to lower tier cities and cheaper goods did even better. PDD, for example, I think that one reported the best sort of earnings beat. The net income was up 47% year over year. And with all the stimulus measures in recent weeks, we did see, as you guys said, some kind of uneven consumer recovery. So the spending on food, travel, and movies have been really good. And those kind of spendings really actually benefit those e-commerce companies.
Lianting, what's the outlook then for the current quarter? I mean, you have lots of weak eco data, but also we have incremental stimulus too.
That's right. So far, not looking too promising. Even the likes of Meituan, that's a barometer of China's post-COVID recovery. Executives actually said in their earnings call that the current quarter will see the growth of order volumes in its core food delivery business decelerate because of the uncertainty that will hurt consumer sentiment eventually. And also look at developers. They have had a very tough quarter, even for the state-owned developers. Yet we do see some stimulus measures coming out in the last few days, including sort of more relaxation for home buyers and lowering mortgage rates. But analysts are saying that these measures so far may not boost buyer demand in the longer term if the underlying problem of high youth unemployment and economic growth remain unfixed.
And I mean, that of course goes to what I think everyone was getting at, whether this all has legs. But, on top of that, are we seeing any more foreign interest, or is it still completely in the doldrums?
Yeah, I mean, foreign interest has not come back, really. We've been reporting that August northbound outflows hit a record high. I believe the total amount was about $12 billion. And I think more interest still right now is going into those EM ex-China funds. And we've seen a higher number of such funds being set up because they were able to deliver better returns than EM funds with China. So that is a trend that we're monitoring quite closely right now.